Hi everyone, this is Arthur. Today I'm going to do a quick video and show you how to organize your emails in Gmail. A lot of time you will see incoming messages, emails from a particular email address, and you wish to move those emails to a folder. And I'm going to show you how to use a label feature in Gmail, where once you apply the label, it will help you move those emails to a particular folder. So let's get started now. Okay, let me go to my desktop. Okay, so the goal is to move the incoming emails from news@zzz.com to a particular folder called Newsgroup. So the first step is to open Gmail for that particular email that you receive. And currently it will be in your inbox. So go ahead and open it up. And on the right hand side, there is a icon on the top. And click on that icon. And go ahead, we will use this option called filter message like this. And once we click on that, there will be a small window pop up, and this is a place that we can look at what else that we want to filter from this email. So in this case, we are interested in the from email address. So go ahead and click on create filter button. So once you click on the button, it will bring up a next pop-up window, give you more options to match your search criteria. And for our case, we want to, once we receive the incoming email, we want to skip the inbox, go to directly to that folder. So we want to check the first box, skip the inbox, and then we're going to apply the label to that email. And let's go ahead and check on that box and click on the list text box. So once we click on that, you will bring up options of choosing a label that's existing or create your own new label. So in our case, we want to move to a Newsgroup folder. So let's go ahead and choose new label, and we're going to type Newsgroup into the text box and click on the create button. So now you can see that it's already saying that apply the label to the Newsgroup. Okay, and go ahead and finish up the step by clicking create filter button. So as you can see that we just received another test2 email from this particular email address, and you will see that we already have that folder on the left hand side called Newsgroup, and there's a one incoming email in that folder. So that's it, and it looks successful, and it's pretty easy way to kind of organize your email in Gmail service. Okay, that's it. I hope the video is easy to follow, and there are a lot of different ways you can filter your emails. In the video, we show you how to organize it by filtering the search criteria from the from email address. And you can filter by subject or from other keywords in the content as well. If this video helped you learn how to organize emails, please give us a thumbs up. If you like to see videos like this in the future, please hit the subscribe button so that whenever we release a new content, you will get a notification. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you next time. Bye bye.